Coca Cola is the most famous soft drink in the world, and its recipe remains one of the best-kept secrets for more than 130 years. It is precisely this aura of mystery that has proved to be an excellent marketing strategy that has kept people's curiosity alive and consequently sales, as well as helping to keep the myth of the recipe a secret. However, the inventor of Coca Cola, John Pemberton, is said to have shared his original formula with at least 4 people before his death in 1888, and that he also wrote it down in his diary. The recipe does not specify when or how the ingredients are blended or even the units of measurement. Over the decades, various people have come forward claiming to have discovered the syrup recipe that gives Coca-Cola flavor. Claims that were later denied by the company itself, obviously. Although there are numerous companies authorized to package Coca-Cola, the secret continues to be kept, thanks to its particular method used for production. The single factories never received the single ingredients, but an extremely thick syrup, in the form of anonymous goods, to be added to a few other components and to sparkling water. The ingredients are numbered from 1 to 9. The number 1 goods is known to be sugar, which can be sucrose or high fructose corn syrup. The number 2 goods is caramel. Number 3 is caffeine, and number 4 is phosphoric acid. The identities of goods 5 to 9 are a matter of debate, particularly good 7, also referred to as commodity 7X. The 7X ingredient is the most important and mysterious one, which gives Coca-Cola its typical aroma. It appears to be a blend of essential oils such as orange, cinnamon, lime, vanilla, nutmeg, and coriander. The secret recipe of Coca-Cola is kept in a vault inside the World of Coca-Cola, a museum located in Atlanta, Georgia, which you can visit to learn about the history of one of the most famous brands in the world. The vault inside the museum is protected by a huge steel door, equipped with a handheld scanner and a numeric keypad. According to the company, only 2 employees are aware of the full formula at a time and can never travel together. When one of the 2 dies, the other must choose a successor within the company and communicate the secret to him. The identity of the 2 employees in possession of the recipe is also a secret and are not disclosed for any reason. It must also be said that a laboratory equipped with some particular techniques would be able to identify the ingredients with precision and thus reproduce the Coca-Cola recipe. One of these is chromatography, a chemical method that allows you to separate the different substances present in a mixture. Even if someone learned of the recipe, they would not be able to obtain certain key ingredients, and it would not affect Coca-Cola sales, given the enormous success it has now achieved in markets around the world. In 2006, 3 Coke employees stole some top-secret information about a new product under development and tried to sell it to rival Pepsi for $1.5 million, which instead denounced them. The 3 employees were then arrested on suspicion of theft of trade secrets. If, on the other hand, you want to know what the ingredients of Coca-Cola are, I leave you the video I made above.